Everything you've ever learned about learning is already outdated. Right now, while you're watching this, something is changing silently in the background. AI is not just learning anymore. It's learning faster than humans, faster than schools, faster than entire education systems built over decades. And here's the uncomfortable truth. It's not stopping. It's starting to teach better than humans too. Think about that for a second. Everything you studied in school, the way you try to improve yourself right now, it's slowly becoming outdated. But here's the twist. This is not bad news, because in just a few minutes, something is going to shift in your mind, a realization that will completely change how you learn. And once you see it, you won't be able to unsee it. So the real question is, if AI is rewriting the rules of learning, what happens to us? Here's the truth no one says clearly. The system you were taught to learn from is broken. For years, learning meant one thing: memorize, repeat, forget. You sit for hours, force information into your brain, pass exams, and then watch it disappear. Not because you're not smart, but because the system was never built for real understanding. And then comes real life. School teaches theory, but life demands skills, communication, decision-making, adaptability, things no textbook really prepares you for. So you try to fix it yourself. Google, YouTube, courses, saved videos, everything. But instead of clarity, you get confusion. Too much information, too many voices, no direction. You feel busy, but not better. And deep down, something feels stuck. Like no matter how much you learn, it just doesn't click. But what if the problem was never you? What if the way you were taught to learn is the real issue? And this is not theory anymore, it's already happening. AI systems are analyzing how humans learn in real time. They detect where you struggle, what you forget, how you think, and they adapt instantly. No waiting, no guessing, just precision. You've probably already seen it. AI tools acting like personal tutors, correcting mistakes instantly, explaining things step by step, adapting to you like a private teacher. And here's what most people don't realize. Top students, high performers, professionals, they're already using this, quietly. They're not learning harder, they're learning smarter. And this shift is already started, because those who adapt first don't just keep up, they move ahead. So here's the real shift. AI is not just giving answers, it is changing how humans learn. For decades, learning meant collecting information, but that world is collapsing because now information is everywhere, instant, unlimited. So the advantage is no longer what you know, it's how fast you can learn, think, and adapt. And this is where AI changes everything. It becomes more than a tool, it becomes an extension of your thinking. And the smartest person in the room is no longer the one who knows the most, it's the one who learns the fastest. This is where real change begins. Most people learn passively. They watch, they read, they listen, and hope something sticks. But the brain doesn't work like that. It learns by doing, by struggling, by interacting. And AI flips this completely. Instead of consuming information, you start interacting with it. You ask questions, challenge ideas, test yourself. It stops being a lecture and becomes a conversation. And suddenly, learning feels different, faster, clearer, more personal, like having a mentor who never gets tired. Now things start to accelerate because learning depends on feedback. The faster you see your mistakes, the faster you improve. But in the old system, feedback is slow. Hours, days, sometimes weeks. AI removes that delay completely. You write something, it corrects instantly. You code, it shows errors immediately. You speak, it improves your words in real time. No waiting, no pressure, no judgment, just instant improvement. And your learning speed doesn't just increase, it multiplies. Now it becomes personal. For the first time, learning adapts to you. The old system was one size fits all, one teacher, one pace, one method. But humans don't work like that. Some need visuals, some need repetition, some need explanations again and again. AI understands that. It adjusts to your pace, your style, your level, until finally it clicks. And when that happens, you stop feeling lost and start feeling in control. But there's something most people ignore, and it's dangerous, because the same tool that makes you smarter can also make you stop thinking. If you depend on AI for everything, you stop struggling, you stop questioning, and slowly you stop building real understanding. Because information is not intelligence, knowing the answer is not the same as understanding it. So the real question becomes, are we becoming smarter or just faster at finding answers? The real shift is not choosing AI or human thinking, it's combining both. Most people use AI as a shortcut, but the smarter way is different. Use AI as a coach, not a crutch. Ask it why it works, ask it how to apply it, ask it to test you, and then do the hardest part, struggle with it yourself. Because real learning happens between understanding and doing. That's where real skill is built. And now one truth becomes clear. Learning is no longer limited. For the first time in history, anyone can learn anything faster than ever before. But this is not just about tools, it's about adaptation. Because your future won't depend on what you know, it will depend on how fast you can change. AI is not replacing intelligence, it is redefining it. And when you zoom out, the old learning system is fading. Memorization, slow feedback, one-size-fits-all teaching. It's no longer enough. A new era is forming, powered by AI, speed, and adaptation. And this shift is not optional, it's already happening. You don't decide whether it affects you, you only decide how you respond. Because in this new world, there are only two types of people: those who adapt and move forward, and those who don't and fall behind. If you want to stay ahead in this new era, you can't keep learning the old way anymore. You have to change how you learn starting today. And now I want to ask you, how are you using AI in your learning right now? Because in the next video, I'll show you the exact AI system most people are still ignoring, and that's where everything changes.